Hello, this is Sensei, and this is one of my how-to videos. I'm going to show you how to eradicate a bird infestation inside the house. Yes, you heard me correctly. Last night we went in this house right here. It is Baba and Poppy's house, formerly known as Inoue Farms, and we found at least 50 birds. If you look inside, you can see, like, there's a bird right there. You could see the bird flying around. There's like 50 of them in there, okay? And I'm gonna try my best to get them out. So, I believe they all went through the chimney. I can't find any other opening. There's a bunch of ash on the floor. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shut the flue of the chimney. Then I'm gonna go in like a wild man with a broom, open all the doors and just chase them out room by room. See how that works. Tools you're gonna need for this project. Okay, make sure you have a nice broom. Okay, just sweep all the birds out. The hat, because those birds are vicious. Make sure you have a nice hat. Gloves, just in case you gotta pick them up. And then also make sure you have your good trusty dusty old owl statue just to scare them out. All right, I'm gonna be doing this Minecraft style, so here we go. All right, as you're getting the birds, you maybe want to do a sweeping motion or maybe a circular motion to just get them off the walls and stuff like that. But here we go. Try to get the flue first. There they are. All those birds. Holy moly. Okay. Opening the door. Oh, it stays open. Look at those birds. It's daylight. See, look at that. Okay. Here they are. Try to get him to go out. Look at, see, there's one right there in the chimney. All right, let's get him out of the way. Okay, first I'm gonna shut the flue of the chimney.